Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking action immediately. Verify your system meets Office 2021 requirements and free up at least 10 gigabytes. This prevents interruptions. Sign into your Microsoft account or locate the product key your license provided because you need it for activation. Once done, download the official Office 2021 installer from your Microsoft account portal. Choose the 64-bit installer for best performance. Make sure to close other applications so the installer can write files without conflicts. Start the installer with administrator rights to avoid permission errors. When prompted, choose 64-bit for performance unless you have legacy add-ins that require 32-bit. Select Custom Install if you want Word, Excel, and PowerPoint only, otherwise install the full suite. The installer will download and apply updates automatically. This can take several minutes depending on bandwidth. Once the core files are copied, the setup configures shortcuts and registry entries. Do not interrupt this stage, and restart if the installer recommends it. Finish by opening Word or Excel and signing in with the same Microsoft account linked to your license to activate Office 2021. After activation, run Windows Update and check for Office updates inside any app under account to ensure security patches and improvements. Make sure your default file associations are set so documents open in Office. If activation fails, run a quick online repair from Control Panel or the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. If problems persist, retry signing out and back in or re-enter the product key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.